security by default. That means now today, if you look at maximum threats are happening due to the bugs in the application, because some codes have written the application is not running, the availability issue is there, and some codes have written it is getting, you are doing transaction, and while doing transaction, the transactions are happening. Suppose you have typed 10 rupees and it is happening 100 rupees. So that integrity, I mean, application coding, if it is not being done during the level, during the design level, and during the process of application life cycle, then there will be a lot of disaster will be there. So bank has adopted the multiple, again here we have a static and dynamic solutions are there. So we have around 200 applications. We have in-house development. We have a exclusive software development team is there in the bank. So they are doing a lot of customization. They are developing the application for the mobile, developing for the website, developing the application for transaction, and also they are developing the applications for integration with other third parties. So a lot of developments are happening now in-house. So when there is a in-house development is happening, yes, in application, I told you there are risks. Risk in the sense, suppose if application is not written properly, so there may be chances that your application will not work on 24/7 basis. So there is a security testing is required from the design itself. So now we have, as an organization, we have inculcated the habit of security by design by using this tool. This tool works on real time, as well as it works on the dynamical, as well as it works on the statically also. So what exactly it does? So see, a developer, whenever he do the coding, immediately he detects online that he instructs that you are not developing the codes as per the security requirement, whether that the OWASP 10 or SAN or your other security standards which are available right now, and which are unless a bank follows that standards, definitely those applications will be vulnerable for the attacker. So we have that framework. So that framework now it has been integrated in these tools. So during the development itself, it will detect and it will guide to the user what kind of codes you have to use at that, what kind of codes you have used, what kind of what kind of flow the programs to be written, whether it is going in a loop or so. So it has to prioritize. It has a so it has a three kinds of features are there. So this is basically, what kind of, see today if you look at my environment. So I have already told you we have more than 200 in-house applications, just in-house, and beside that we have another 50 or 60 odd applications which are connected to various governments, various universities, various colleges, schools, and all. That is a separate. So if any small vulnerability comes in anywhere in the application, it is not working, or it is giving a wrong transaction, or transaction response is not coming, your business logic is failing, or your the functionality testing is failing, then definitely there is an issue in the application security. So normally this is called our source code testing. That means we are scanning the entire codes of the programmer, the way it has developed. It should comply with the OWASP 10 or OWASP 20 security control. So what exactly it gives a feel. See, if a application goes wrong, definitely taking down today this 24/7. Suppose if I hosted a mobile application, if I have not done a source code testing properly, and after launching in the Play Store, if it is not working, that means it is a great it will be a big impact in the user point of view, as well as it is a big reputational risk for the bank. If it is so, that's why we have taken a very judicious call through this application center, that during the design itself, our people should do such kind of authentication testing, that when the OWASP 10 controls, that broken links, or SQL injection, and there are so many. There's so many things are there. So all those tests are being happened during the development itself, so that what exactly do that it reduce our time and effort with. And today, sir, we have assessed our all critical applications, and we have only very few vulnerabilities which are categorized in either in medium and low. Otherwise, any application which comes from UAT to live, I think when we do a live application assessment through these application security tools, and we find there are very few errors are there, and our application goes live within no time. So that time also reduced because due to this security feature. So these are the benefits which we are getting. We are time to develop, test, and deploy any new application. We are able to go live within no time because our security assessments are being inculcated during the design phase itself. So these are the features. I think it's all the screen. It is also reducing the risk of vulnerability, and it's also the reduction of the software security assessment report. Because again, we have to do a third party also. Now we are doing entire security assessment in-house only. So, sir, this is all about the application security center. So, sir, I will take questions if anything is there.
Thank you so
good
much, sir.
presentation,
Now,
Mr. Reddy.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I think all your presentations are interrelated because all ultimately lead to security, cyber security, no?
Yeah, it's a purely cyber security only. So it's a kind of
Sir, see, I am basically a banker, and you being a banker, just tell me, because all banks are having this system, no? They have developed their own cyber security system. Anything special you would like to mention here, which Union Bank has done? Which you feel we are
sir.
different from others?
Yeah, sir. Here we have developed our in-house capability. In-house capability means I told you that we are not engaging any outside auditors. We are saving a lot of money because our in-house capability is such that one is we are mitigating the risk, and also today you know that after pandemic and this government schemes are coming in such a way that every day there is a change in the application. So if during that time if my systems are not ready, I cannot do live. Because in earlier cases, I was sending to outsider, he was doing the assessment. It takes longer time. So today, it happens within within 1 or 2 days, the security clearance gets out. We clear the security clearance because it has been incorporated within the development platforms. We have a development platforms like a mobility platform. We have a so there, this solution has been injected. So we are reducing a lot of time and reducing risk also. So it is giving means good benefit to the customers. See, customer experience is much more important than all these things.
Ultimately,
So
yeah.
So that's why we are supporting, giving a good experience to the customer, as well as we are minimizing the risk, and we are also cost saving. We are doing a lot of cost saving now for each app because every day there is a change. So so that capability we have got it now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you so much, sir. I would request to UK
Anything?
Sama, sir. Is there any suggestion for that?
Mr. Reddy, in fact, earlier you were only Union Bank of India. Now Andhra Bank has also merged into Union Bank of India, and there is now a single bank.
Yes, sir.
So security profile and security protocols of Andhra Bank and Union Bank were different. How you have taken care to integrate them into one?
Yes, sir. It's a very good question, sir. See, the day one when this amalgamation notice has come, so we have prepared one function committee and one implementation committee. So the first thing we have done is a policy. See, policy is very important for an organization. So policy harmonization we have done. Then we have done the second level, the process harmonization, because some processes they are following, I am following, and the corporation bank is following. So we have taken out the best of three. we have not considered that only Union Bank is this one. So we have analyzed that out of three, which is the best one. So whatever we felt best one, we have incorporated in the process. And the third is that tool rationalization, because that is one of the important, because the vendors are different, the licenses are different, the cost is different, duration is different. So there are multiple usages different. See, like us, we have a good maturity. And those banks, I think their maturity maybe, they have gone a little slow in the implementation and all. So looking at all the factors, so we have done the tool harmonization, then we have done the people harmonization also, and we have done a monitoring harmonization. So whatever operations are there, so we have a very good concept. We have come out with a function committee, implementation committee, steering committee, then advisory committee, then apex level committee. So all these committees, wherever any issues are there at one level, so other level takes care of that. And we ensured that the best of three has come. And that's why, see, none of this, at the people part, process part, or integration part, we are very, very smooth today. So we don't have any problem at all. So we have done a lot of cost synergy, lot of operational synergy we have brought in now due to that. So
Okay,
this is
thank
the
you very
experience, sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, it was very difficult to integrate that too in a short time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, you are right, sir. You are right, and it's a really a good thing to be happen such a large bank. I think almost we are double in size, and
Yes,
in
yes.
everywhere. So business, people, technology, everywhere, customers. So we have taken care. Means there is a standard process we have followed. So we have taken care. Thank you, sir. Thank you for asking this question. It has reminded me. The 1 year, I gone back 1 year. Means what I am talking about to 2020 actually.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so much to the jury. Now I would request to last presentation IP Global Limited, Ms. Priyanka Nagpal, ma'am. You can share your screen and start your presentation.